Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World, we got Bergen in the building with another nice creation. This one is called Barcelona. Now, if you haven't downloaded this one is going to be free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. I have two in the lineup for you all to check out. And I'm pretty sure this is going to be for a limited time only. So make sure you download ASAP. With that being said, let's check out this watch face. Now, I like to look at this watch face in the AOD mode because it's simply going to give you what you're going to get when the watch face is on. It's going to be dimmed down quite a bit, but that's not a bad look at all. Now, once the watch face is on, here's what you're greeted with. You're going to get an analog watch face. You got very nice looking analog hands. I love the look of that minute hand on this watch face. Looks awesome. You're going to get 3 dials. You're going to get, of course, your heart rate information at the top. To the left, you're going to get your goal completed, and you're going to get your battery info over to the right in that dial. Down at the bottom, you are going to get your digital time, and that means you get the best of both worlds. Up at the top to the left, you will get your step info. To the right, you're going to get your floors climbed. Over here, you're going to get your miles walked or ran. And right here, you're going to get your calories burned. So you have all the things you need for your step information, your exercising. Right here at your fingertips. And along with that, you're going to get your date down at the bottom. We can't forget that one. Now, the watch face is interactive, so I could tap on the dials and I could bring up my heart rate information. Of course, my battery info is going to be over here with a single tap. And over here, you're going to also be able to pull up your step status info. Along with that, if you tap here, you'll be able to pull up a favorite, set a favorite with this watch face, and you can do the same thing over here with this one as well. So I thought that was a good look. What do you think thus far, people? Again, I thought Bergen did a really, really nice job with this watch face. And let's tap right here and see what we get. It's not allowing me to bring up anything there, but let's tap here and I could go into my contacts, make a phone call if I so choose, which isn't a bad look, but I can also customize the color theme as well. Double tap. And I can change the look, well, single tap. I can change the look of the dials, which is cool. Not a bad look at all, right? So let's double tap at the top. I can change the color theme some more in the background. And the bezel, look at that. Now I got it blacked out. This looks awesome. Mess with this a little bit, get it to be the way I want it to be, and I'm super awesome. I thought the developer did an awesome job with this one so far, the customization to the watch face. But at the end of the day, people, it is all about you. Make sure you hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know what you think of this watch face. Now, just stay tuned because we got one more awesome watch face to check out, and it's watch face number 2. Number 2, it's called Gear Monster 2, another bad creation by Bergen. I'm loving this one. This has to be my favorite out of the 2. But let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this watch face. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a very nice look. I wish this was the actual watch face as well. It looks super awesome in the AOD mode. But once the watch face is on, you will get a nice look, a nice sporty look and feel out of this watch face. Now, I do like the analog hands. They're nice, they're fun looking, and you also get a nice second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch as well. Now you get a few dials. You're going to get your step information at the top, power information to the left, and you're also going to get your heart rate information down at the bottom. And I do like the look of the needles that's inside of each dial. It's really going to bring it out as you customize the color theme of the watch face. You'll see that in a second. And over here to the right, you are going to get your digital time, nice, big and bold. You're also going to get your calorie information, your day of the week, your date. You're also going to get your animated seconds. Your steps are going to be down at the bottom up under that. So you got everything you need so far as step status, and you do get a couple of shortcuts. So if you want to, you can go into your settings with a single tap, tweak your watch however you see fit. If you need to make a phone call, go into your contacts, you can do that as well. So the developer, he does make this watch face very, very convenient, and the watch face is interactive. So if I tap right here, I can set a favorite. I get 2 places to do so. If I tap at the top, I can set one there as well. Now you can tap on all the dials and bring up the information needed so far as your step information is concerned, and your battery info as well. Now what I like most about this is that you can customize the color theme of the watch face. Tap right here, you single tap, and you can change the color theme to this watch face. They're light, and it'll tie into the watch face depending on your background that you have set. So you can customize the background as well. Double tap in the center, and you can change the color theme of the watch face. Now, I love that look right there. That's definitely a going out watch face. And I'm going to cycle through the many different colors and backgrounds that this watch face has to offer. So as you can see, You got many different themes, and when you get to a certain point, it just starts changing the background, if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that or not. And once you get to the end, it changes the color. So again, my man, he always gets down. This is definitely a good look, but considering that the watch face is free, this is a definite download. Don't miss out on this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.